Don't ever look down on any kind of work in life. Think about it. Today, you have a job, but tomorrow, it might be gone. Then what will you do? That's why you need to build a mindset where you are ready to do any kind of work at any time. Whatever you do it in a way that 90% of people can't. And one more thing, learn to respect every kind of work. Build a growth mindset. If one way doesn't help you achieve your dream, then find another way. Try again. Sometimes, for money, you have to do things you don't even like, because money can bring you closer to your dreams. Look at me. I'm making dumbbell videos, because not everyone can do it. That's how I'm growing my channel fast, and earning money from home. Now let me give you an example. Imagine you have to road. Road number 1. It's muddy, your clothes will get dirty, but it takes only 10 minutes. Road number 2. It's clean and comfortable, but it takes 50 minutes. Most people will choose the easy, comfortable road, but I will choose the first one, because I've already wasted a lot of time in my life. Now I regret it, and I don't want to waste any more time. If you give me even hard, physical work, I'll do it, because I've done it before. This is the mindset that will take you forward in life. Thank you.